And good afternoon,
Hi.
Hiro-san.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon to you. We got a fantastic recipe coming up today. This kind of goes back to when we were in San Francisco about a year ago, and we were in Half Moon Bay looking for actually fresh uni, and then we came across a couple crabs. So take a look at this.
There's two there, but only the top one is going to be big enough. Here it is. Ooh, yeah. Oh, look at those claws.
Let's test the claws, Hiro.
No.
Those claws will get like,
Yeah.
They look like almost like a
crush.
stone crab claw.
Yeah.
They'll crush you.
Huge.
Yeah, that's a California red rock crab. All right.
Let's take a look,
Oh,
Hiro.
yeah,
Face me.
already.
Here, hold on.
This guy is small.
Yeah,
right?
too small. That one's too small. Yeah, we're actually mating. That one's a female. If you turn it over, you can
Let's
still
take it out.
see.
Let's take it out and take a look. Just to take a look.
Yeah, that's a female.
Yeah. That's
This female. Take it out though. Let's get a little picture. That was probably her husband or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
Her baby daddy.
her baby daddy. You guys should want to leave them separate.
Hopefully he was finished. So,
Yeah. That's right. He was on top of her.
yeah.
Okay, now she's kind of bad. I'm sorry. So now, Hiro-san, the main ingredient.
here.
We had the crabs back together again.
The social crab.
Yeah. Well, it's not really the same crabs, of course, a year later. But we wanted to do crabs together. So,
Okay, so today's main ingredient is this one, soft shell crab.
yes.
Okay, so this is actually already cleaned up already. They cut off the eyes line and the this one, and I think they took off they took off this one too, and how they call it, the gill.
Yeah, the gills.
Okay,
Dead man fingers, I guess they call it.
what they call it?
Dead man fingers.
Dead man finger.
Interesting, right?
And of course, we are going to make a sushi today.
Okay.
So sushi rice is here, and okura. I'm gonna make a tempura with this one.
Okay.
And these two sauces are going to be the panko crust. So I have panko here and the flour here. And this one goes for the tempura for okura. Okay, this one is a shiso, it's a powder, a little purple color. And this is a sake flake we call furikake. And these three ingredients are going to be together: yuzu juice, sesame paste, and mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix these three together. And then eggs I'm gonna use for panko. And then here is a puffed rice. And this one, it's a vermicelli. Vermicelli?
All the way
My
from
pronunciation right?
vermicelli. Yeah.
Vermicelli. And
From
just for the
Pakistan.
decoration, I'm going to use it for when roll up,
And
everything.
that's from Pakistan, actually.
Yes.
Interesting, right? So, what is our first step?
First step, either I'm gonna make the sauce or I'm gonna fry up the soft shell crab. So
Okay.
either way,
All right.
I'm gonna say どちらにしようかな yeah.
Okay.
Soft shell crab.
All right.
Okay.
Some of you ask why we add music sometimes. Well, when we're trying to film, like you see here, and that's going on, it doesn't really help the video. So that's exactly why sometimes we have no choice but to just add some nice music right here.
Yeah, piano, or
Piano
maybe
music.
little kung fu fighting or something.
Hey, how do you know that
people say
song?
last time I'm 80s.
80s, right?
80s, it's late 70, 79,
80s, baby.
80 something.
Yeah.
I saw
Everybody
some
was kung fu fighting.
Yeah.
Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Yeah, maybe that one.
Yeah, okay.
Or maybe just piano, go to sleep. A lot of people say, when you put a piano music,
Yeah, they hate the music
they hate me.
choice.
Oh, why you so sad? Or
Yeah,
crying.
like what funeral? Who died? Jeez, unbelievable. Okay, all right, let's
Okay.
go back to the music.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put that ice on it. Okay, this is good. And now I'm gonna use this furikake and the another type of the shiso powder. And this is a shiso side. This too is used for the onigiri, rice ball, very often,
I love that.
which we really like it.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Okay, that's good. Looks good. And now flip over here. This mayonnaise stuff. Soft shell crab and the this puffed rice for the making it extra crunchy. Put a little more mayonnaise and then stick on it. Okay, good. And the okra. And this one coming for the decoration. I mean the nice and decoration. So I'm gonna use this stuff here. And the one more stuff.
Gotta keep it a happy family here.
Happy family on the like that. And then
I hope you put them in the right position.
the okra. Yeah, right?
Is the crab in the right position here?
Yeah, I
They're
think
both
so.
facing the same
Yeah,
direction?
I think so.
Okay. You must.
Yeah, that's to right position. And then little more okra here.
Wow, listen to that crunch.
Okay, put this one on top. It's more easy to cut, so.
These are the crabs that I like. Soft shell crabs. Everyone knows my love for crabs. Now you know. And here I can't wait to try this. It looks delicious. Tons of soft shell crab inside there. Look at that. So wonderful. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you the tasting part. Thank you, Hiro. Okay, Hiro-san,
Yes.
to the tasting part.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Mhm.
Okay. Take a look at this. So many
You
legs.
can see the inside.
Oh, looks
So-
great. Looks really, really good. Enjoy.
And salmon side and the purple side. Oh,
Oh no.
better use the hand. There's a lot of sauce to show.
Right? How's it taste? Do you like the combination?
I haven't eaten sausage crab long time.
Right. Neither have I. Let's get a good cross section of this so you guys can see.
It's a little bit
Probably
bigger
soy
than
sauce.
one bite,
Right.
That's why if you're making a big roll, it's very hard to eat one bite. This one, I think, very decoration is okay, but to eat is a little bit difficult. Or too big.
Wow. So good though. You guys, if you've never tried soft shell crab, it's definitely something you guys need to go get. One of my favorite things to eat of all time. It's like eating a shrimp.
Eat a
It's
shrimp?
got like, the shell's really soft. With a crab flavor, I don't know. Well, we know it's crab flavor, but just the way the outside is, especially it's so crunchy. The panko and the egg wash. I like it that it's not that thick, Really taste that soft shell crab. Excellent. Hiro, thank you so much. See you soon.